Kani kalong ka khubor sha Chief Minister Jong ka Jilla Meghalaya. Ken riutli ki panai kala ya hadin bag expert committee kala pha ya ka report sha ka sarkar Jilla. Nrai kalong ka basngusi bag sarkar Jilla kampat shimla penmana ba ya kani ka report hadu minta. Wat hadin ba ka party kala ai ka jingtho bonsin ban pen kan mau ba kidai ban penmana ba no ya kani ka report. Lada ka sarkar kadang yai pinslem party kan haban shim ye ka sen jam ban panlong daga jinge ki pat ba sa shi sen pat ha kini ki kindiat sngi ba ki kindiat por ki ban wan. This is an open statement to the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. 6 months had lapsed since the submission of the report by the expert committee. However, the state government seems not to be willing to make it public till today, despite repeated reminders from the party. Therefore, in this connection, the party would be compelled to resume its agitation if the government failed to announce the report of the expert committee immediately. Thank you.
A few moments later.
It'll be made public. As I said, it's a huge, it's 200 kgs of report. That's like 4,000 or 5,000 pages. It is, and one has to go through every single word because even a comma can change the meaning of the report or the meaning of that line. So therefore, it would be wrong for us simply just to say we'll read the conclusion and that's it. It's not like that. It's not so simple. It's huge. As I said, it's a bulk. We had to send a special vehicle to get the report back because we couldn't bring it in the flight also because it was so big. So as I said, so 200 kgs of paperwork. The chief secretary and the other officials had to go through every line, every page, and it was a very, very big task. And of course, they've finished it. They are going to submit it and show it to the cabinet. And of course, as soon as they give it to us, we will be making it public. There's no question of not making it public. This is a matter of great importance to the people, and the people should know what's there in the report, and we will be definitely sharing it. But as I said, you have to be realistic about the fact that that being a sensitive matter, the officials cannot just simply ignore even a single page or even a single word. They had to go through every single bit of it, and that's why it took some time, but they are ready now. So I think very soon we should be making it.